Hey guys, let's unbox this Cinnado D1 security camera. This is an indoor camera with 2K resolution. Here more information about the camera. You see here 3 megapixel or full HD, which is a 2K camera. Motion alert, night vision, recording to an SD card, two-way audio, multi-user sharing, pan and tilt auto tracking, and smart siren, right? I'm gonna just unbox this one, and later I'm going to make another video about the installation and setup. So let's just open the box. In here I see the camera. Let me just remove from this plastic. There we go. You see here, it's a pretty small camera comparing here to the size of my hand. Here you see the camera can move up and down. That's the tilt movement. You can just install the SD card just right here. Right here is the base that also turns, so the camera can make the pan movement and also the tilt movement. And here you see the lens that's going to grab the video, and you can just record everything into the SD card or into the cloud, right? Here's a microphone, and you can connect here the cable to power the camera on. A reset button, just if you lose the password or something and you need to reset the camera to factory default, you can just reset from here. Okay, here, right, there's a reset button, and here is a speaker. Okay, so pretty small camera. Let me just put it here and see the accessories here. Some screws and anchors for the installation. You can install this onto a wall. Here the accessory that you can put on the bottom of the camera for the installation as well. A cable, so you can just connect the camera. See here is a USB-A to a regular USB-C. So you can't use this power adapter that comes with the camera, or if you lose this one for some reason, you can use the one from your cell phone. It's the same type of power adapter, right? So here I have also a template for the installation. Super simple. And here a certificate of conformity. So it passed the test, which means the camera has quality, right? And also here it brings the quick start guide. Just check if it's good. There we go. Here all the information about the camera, what comes in the box. Here the indicator light, so you can check the status of the camera. You can download the app for Android and also for iPhone. Remember that you can just install this camera and watch everything from your cell phone. And here the installation. Okay, you can install on a ceiling or onto a wall. In FAQ. So if your camera is not working for some reason, you have the FAQ here with all the information. Okay. So a simple, quick guide, but you can just make it work just reading the information here, and it's super simple. I tested another Cinnado camera before, and it works pretty good, right? So that's it. You can get this on Amazon, and I'll make another video later about the setup and installation, okay? I hope this helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.